Okay, we are back and we're going to continue on programming our little baby bot. And today Henry is going to be helping us. Last time it was Sophie. This time it's going to be Henry helping us. So thank you very much, Henry. We appreciate the help. Okay, so last time when we finished the video, we had gotten to a point where we could press the buttons and the eyes would move and blank would work. Okay, so today I think we should make it a little bit more self-reliant and make it so that it will just do things by itself. Okay, so let's try that. So I'm going to come over here to where simple eyes was what we worked on last time. So I'm going to go here, simple eyes, make a copy of it. I'm going to call it simple automation. I'll make a duplicate. Let's open it up. Okay, let's start looking at that. So we're not going to add any more of the components. Henry's over here trying to eat the robot. You can't see that, but he's trying to eat the robot. Henry, Mr. Henry, no, let's not eat the robot. You've already wounded the robot right on the side where you bit it a couple videos ago. So let's not do any more biting of the robot. All right. Excuse me. You. Okay. So we're not going to add any more of the servos, but we're going to try and automate these. And we've got these functions that we can call to do different stuff. Don't pull the guts out, Mr. Henry. I don't know what's in there, but that's not for you. It really isn't. All right. So instead of calling it with the buttons, we want to call it randomly. We want to make some random calls. So let's go ahead and we're going to use a forever loop. It's not under loops, although it is a loop. It's a special kind of loop. And this is the kind of loop you want to have if you are running forever. That's why it's called forever, because it allows other processes to run along with your code. And that's important because we need for our microbit to respond to buttons and other types of things, and just bookkeeping that the microbit has to do to stay running. It does some tasks. So this forever block lets that happen, where some of these other blocks, maybe not so much, unless you put some sort of pause in. I've heard it said that the forever loop has a pause 20 milliseconds at the end. I don't know. I haven't looked at that particular code, but forever is what we want to do when we want a main loop that's just going to handle the big overall stuff that needs to be handled. So let's pull across the forever loop and start there. Now, how do we want to randomly select these? Well, let's create a variable and call it random. And let's get a random number. Seems reasonable. go down to math, and where is random? Random, pick random. And I want a number from 1 to 100. So my randomness is going to be expressed in percentages. So 1 to 100 is what we want our random. It's like a rolling a 100-sided die. Okay. So let's grab an if. It's going to be long, so we might as well start here. So if random is less than or equal to 10, I want to do something. So what percentage chance do we get to this if portion? And that is 10%. So 10% of the time, when I'm looking to do an action, I want to, where is my blink? Where's on logo? A, B, there's logo. And I obviously have to make a new function for that. It's going to be called blink. This will go there. So that is our blink function. Put it over here with the rest of our functions. And then we're going to create a call. So when the logo is pressed, we want to call blink. Also, when there's a 10% with a 10% chance, we will do a blink. And let's put this over here with the rest of our inputs. There's all of our input stuff lined up. So I know where it all is. Okay. What else? That's a little programming joke. Okay. Let's say we want to take another 10% and we want to eye center, eyes angle. Oh, okay, we can do it this way. Eyes to the left. And let's put another 10% chance. Now, the reason these are going 10, 20, 30 is because when we come to this first if statement, we will check to see if it's 1 through 10, and we'll do this. If it's 11 through something larger, we'll go to the next thing and check it. So this is actually between 11 and 20. This is actually between 21 and 30, because if it was less, if you get a 1, you're going to stop here, do this, and not check any of these. So let's do eyes to the right. Another 10%. We'll do eyes to the center. Okay. And the else is just going to be, well, we don't really need it, do we? And we need a pause. A little bit more than what the forever loop allows us. We'll do these every half a second. We'll check and do something. So if we do nothing, we'll still get a half-second delay. So a lot of time, we're asking it to just do nothing. Okay. Let's plug that in. Excuse me. And we're going to download. Okay, now we can unplug it. And let's see what that does. And there we go. So if the program chooses eyes to the left twice in a row, it will not actually do anything because it's already there. So here we chose eyes to the left a couple of times. And we got good blinks. Ow, don't bite me. What did I do to you? Okay. So that's what I wanted to do this time. Just give it some independence. And that's what we've been able to do. Okay. I have a crabby cat to deal with. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.